If you're someone battling with scars, today is your lucky day because I'm going to be showing you how to get rid of your scars, both the old and new scars. Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, Judith is the name. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for sticking around. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please tap the subscribe button down below to get subscribed to my channel for more skincare tips. And do not forget to like this video if you end up enjoying it. So today's video is sort of a requested video. Someone requested I make a video on how to get rid of old scars. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get rid of scars, both old and new scars on your skin. So if you're someone battling with scars, like you have scars on your legs or you have surgery scars and you've tried a lot of products and none seems to be working, then you definitely want to keep on watching because I'm going to be showing you the best ways and products to fade scars. So let's dive right into it. If you really want to get rid of your scars, the first thing you need to understand is what exactly is a scar and what type of scar do you actually have on your skin that you want to get rid of. So if you're able to understand these two things, you can be able to treat any form of scar on your skin. So now, what is a scar? Scar is any form of marks left behind by an injury or wound. So for instance, when you sustain an injury, maybe you had a cut or you fell down and you were badly bruised. In the process of that cut or bruise trying to heal, is going to definitely leave a mark on your skin. And that mark is what we call scar. So there are different types of scars. We have the normal scars, which tend to look like your skin. Like I have that type of scar now on my skin. If I wasn't wearing a long sleeve, I would have shown you guys. It was gotten from a burn, but now it have totally healed. So now normal scar is like a well-healed scar because it tends to look like your skin. So another type of scar or scarring that tends to occur on the skin is acne scars. Yeah, I think majority of us know about this acne scars. Is scars that is majorly left behind when you have severe acne, but we'll be discussing this in a different video. So another type of scar is hypertropic scar. It's more like the red race scars, just as you can see. We have contracture scars that occurs as a result of burn, and we also have the hyperpigmented scars. Like these particular scars are the type that leaves a dark mark on your skin because of the excessive production of melanocytes, that is melanin cells. So that is why when mosquito bites your skin, it might end up leaving a dark mark on your skin. So with that said, let's take a look at how to get rid of the scars. So the first thing you need to have at the back of your mind is scars do not heal completely, but they can easily fade off and blend into your skin and become the same color as your skin. So when I was small, I actually played a lot. So I had some scars on my legs, yes. But recently, I can barely tell they are there. Like the scars have faded away. What exactly do I mean by that? Some scars tend to heal faster than the other. And the reason is because some scars are more severe than the other. Like the severity of the injury you sustained determines the severity of your scar. So if it's a big injury, you don't expect it to heal as fast as an ordinary knife cut. So another factor that would determine if your scar would heal very fast is the part of your body that actually got injured. For instance, if you have a scar on your knee, it's actually going to take a longer time for that particular scar to heal, and this is because there is movement or friction going on in that area. So when it comes to getting rid of your scars, regardless of where it is situated, you want to make sure that your wounds or injury have healed. And if your wound is still fresh, you want to cover it up to avoid contamination. So that is why most of the times you see surgery scars being stitched in order to avoid getting contaminated. So once your wound have healed, the first thing I always recommend is using a sunscreen on that area, preferably a mineral sunscreen with SPF 50. So the next thing you want to do if you want to get rid of your scar is to actually create a good healing environment for your scalp. So for you to be able to do that, you have to use a silicone gel or cream. So now if you have a scar and the wound have actually healed up, that is if it's a new scar, or maybe you have an old scar on your skin that you want to get rid of, the first thing you need to do is to cleanse the area and then go ahead to apply your silicone based gel or cream directly on the scar. What the silicone based gel is going to do is actually going to help soften and flatten your scar. So some of the best silicone based gels for healing scars that actually works is Strataderm Scar Therapy Gel. So this particular one is actually a non-sticky gel and is used in treating both old and new scars. It's sold for $21 on Amazon. So all you have to do is to apply this particular silicone based gel once or twice daily. Like after having your shower in the morning and at night, you can go ahead to apply this directly on your scalp. It's actually going to help flatten and fade your scar. So another silicone based gel that I love is the Prosil silicone stick for scalps. So I actually like this because it comes in a glide-on stick. Like you can easily apply it to your body when you're in a hurry. But the only thing with this is the fact that it's a bit pricey. It's sold at the price of $37 on Amazon. So another silicone based gel that I love is the Biocorneum Advanced Scalp Treatment with SPF 30. With this particular silicone gel, you don't need to get a sunscreen. Like it's a 2-in-1 product, so you can easily apply it to your scalp without looking for a sunscreen, and it's also very good for both old and new scalps. Like it's going to help reduce the pigmentation on that area and also protect your scalp from the sun. So it's actually a nice silicone based gel to use for your scalps, and it's sold at the price of $28 on Amazon. So if you're using any of the silicone based gels to treat your scalps, you need to be consistent with it if you really want to see results. Like for some people, you might notice significant changes within 4 weeks of consistent use, depending on the severity of your scar. So I would advise you give it time, like 4 months or 1 year of treatment, especially if it's an old scar, because most old scars on the skin are already pigmented, like they are already looking darker and thicker than your regular skin. So when treating your old scalp, you need to give it enough time. And I always advise pairing your silicone gel with any other skincare ingredients that can actually inhibit melanin production on your skin. And some of the best melanin inhibitors I would advise you pair your silicone gel with is vitamin A, vitamin C, niacinamide, azelaic acid, green tea extract, or your kojic acid. So I've actually gone ahead to put together a simple skincare routine you can follow to get rid of your scars. So the first step in the skincare routine is using a kojic acid soap. So you want to apply your kojic acid soap directly on your scalp 2 minutes before going to take your shower. Like what this kojic acid soap is going to do is actually going to help lighten up your scar. So after you must have had your shower, so the next step you want to take is to apply your vitamin C serum. So you can actually apply your vitamin C serum or niacinamide serum on that area. So personally, I will always advise you use your vitamin C serum or alpha arbutin serum. But if you cannot get a vitamin C serum, you can simply opt in for the ordinary alpha arbutin serum. Like it's also going to help get rid of both your old and new scars. So after you must have applied any of the serums to your scalp, the next step is to apply your silicone based gel. You want to finish up with a good sunscreen in the daytime, and I always advise using your mineral sunscreen, preferably a mineral sunscreen with SPF 50. So this is definitely going to help fade and get rid of both your old and new scars. All you have to do is to be consistent and give this product the time to work. But if you're actually someone that doesn't have the whole patience, you can simply opt in for chemical peels, laser treatments, or filling. So you need to consult a specialist if you want to use any of these other methods. So yeah, that is basically it on how to get rid of scars. So I hope this video helps you to fade scars on your skin. Announcement. So many people have been asking me, Judith, how do I book a skincare consultation with you? So I've actually thought it twice to make that official on this channel. So I'll be putting the details on how you can easily book a skincare consultation in my community tab. So immediately you're seeing this video, it should already be up in the community tab on how you can book a skincare consultation, so you can easily check it out. I've also decided to make it affordable for everyone. So yeah, that is it on this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you enjoyed watching this video, please do not forget to like, subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.